After completing the scan, zoom into a section for clearer viewing. Go to Image Adjustments. Here you can adjust filters to alter the image. Selecting the auto white and the auto black will make automatic adjustments. Zoom out to see the whole image if you want to check the improvements. You can make manual adjustments if required. Also, brightness and contrast can be altered here. Click Update to apply the changes to the saved image. To save these settings to use again, go to Presets and Save As. Give the new preset a name and save it. Going to another preset shows the settings change. Returning to the Save preset shows the image with the new settings. Reset the filters from the arrow down tab.